Hey everyone, welcome back to another Windows Wednesday. I'm Bob from Bob's Computer Service, and today I'm going to show you how to use multiple desktops in Windows 11. This is great to keep your work, personal tasks, and projects separate and organized. Let's get started. First, we're going to open up Task View, which is this little button next to the search box, and we're just going to click on New Desktop. Now you have two desktops, and you can create as many as you need, though if you don't have a ton of RAM, you might want to just stick to two. You can also switch between desktops with the keyboard shortcut Windows key, Control, and right to go to the next one, and Windows key, Control, and left to go back to the one you were just at. And it's really easy to switch apps between the new desktops. If you open up Task View, you can just drag them down to the new desktop, and then they're open on the new desktop and not on the original one you were using. Now, say you want to close any new desktops you've made. If you just hit the X right here, it'll close the new virtual desktop and it'll move all the open windows to the original one. And there you have it. Nice and easy, makes things super easy to keep track of work, personal, or just different projects. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week for more Windows Wednesday.